All y'all need to know is this is a roux and we getting ready to make some gumbo, okay? That's flour, butter, onions, garlic, herb seasoning, and we're gonna put the tomatoes right on in there. Hold on. Back to the business. Those are our sausage. This is our conch. This is our shrimp. This is our roux that we already started. And you know, I put Tony Creole and I put the Webster garlic herb seasoning, stewed tomatoes and onions. This is HomeCookingDoneRoxy. Let's put that meat in there. Shrimp first, then sausage. Always put the conch last. Some of y'all don't even know what the hell conch is. It's conch. It's from Bahamas. I'm sorry, I lost my temper a little bit. So this is conch. It's a shellfish and is normally found in the Bahamas. You can find it in Haiti. Just different parts of the Caribbean. So this is our gumbo. It's done. The shrimp are done. The sausage is done. You see I added some scallions. I already had some regular Spanish onions. So I'm going to turn off my heat and then I'm going to add my conch. So I'm going to go ahead and add the conch while y'all watching, so y'all don't feel left out. And I'm going to try not to scream at y'all no more, okay? Okay? This is HomeCookingDoneRoxy, and this is the truth. This is Roxy Gumbo. I call it Miami. It's Roxy. It's Roxy. I can't tell y'all everything that I put in it because it is my secret recipe. You know what I'm saying? HomeCookingDoneRoxy Miami Gumbo. Yeah! Okay, I'm back. I'm going to make some garlic bread now to go with this gumbo. And I got my rice already ready. I'm doing another Italian pack. I found this on the discount rack at Publix. I'm a Publix girl and I'm in the 305. So that's what I did. And now I got a quarter cup of olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle this on my bread. This is Pakashi bread. I barely could see it. Pakashi bread. And then we're gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes and then serve that with rice with our gumbo. My bad. Okay, so that's the gumbo. Yep. I'm not giving you the recipe, so you could forget it. You could get mad all you want. You could hate on me on YouTube. Don't care. But this is HomeCookingDoneRoxy. This red velvet. And this is not made with buttermilk. It's made with sour cream. HomeCookingDoneRoxy. HomeCookingDoneRoxy.